the weather right now, guys. It's about snowing. It might look a little wet, but yeah, it's snowing. Your bag. It's snowing that bad. So bad it's snowing. Snowing. Buses on hold already. And the snow haven't even fall that much. And buses are going on hold. Hold on. Let's go home. Listen. It's mad snowing, guys. Mad snowing. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Look. Lots of snow. Guys, I'm almost home, but it's snowing out here. I can't wait to show you guys in the morning because it's gonna be snowing all night until morning. So yeah, guys, lots of snow, lots of snow, lots of snow. People are running same way in this. So look on the ground, lots of snow on the ground. Snow. It's gonna be a snowstorm. My boots feel a little bit wet. But yeah, so guys, I'll see you in the morning. I'll show you guys what's happening tomorrow. Oh my god, my hair blind. Guys, my hair blind. So I'll see you guys in the morning. This is how bad outside is. This is how bad. And it's still snowing. This is how bad it is. Look at all that. It's on the road. Look at this. Guys, it's still snowing. Buses are running out of service. Ooh. At least it's not that cold though. I can't believe it. I'm on just sweater. As you can see, it's bad. Like snowing so much. It's on our window. It's full. It's like I'm walking on snow. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Guys, if you see it, it's like shiny, shiny. My phone is getting wet. Let me turn it this way. So yeah, guys, snow is bad. I have to be out a little bit earlier because I don't know the bus situation. But look at this. This is mad crazy. And it's snowing. There's a mad guy over there. The other day, oh my god, this is crazy. I mean, like, guys, this is crazy. Like, I have to go though. So I'm waiting to cross. And it's snowing really bad same way. I have to turn my back that way because it's snowing really bad same way. Yeah. I'll see you guys. So, morning guys. Morning. So I'm going across now. Ooh, this is a lot. Like, so my husband asked me where's my gloves. Man, I need my gloves. It's mad cold. It's really cold. I don't have any gloves. But At least they made a way. I can walk. This is how much snow. Oh, I thought it covered the bench, but it did not. But yeah, this is it. Snowstorm. And I'm out. My finger is burning, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god. See you in the next video. This is our road. It's impossible. Another bush shed. God, this is too much for me. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm in my living room. I'm in my bedroom, guys. So if you're new here, welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you guys some stuff that my husband and I, it's like a Christmas gift, right? We went to Foot Locker. So yes, guys, as I said, I just want to thank you all for being here. Thank you all for subscribing. And please remember to tell a friend, to tell a next friend that Vibe with Mashika is here. However, it's just, you'll see my truth. So things that I like to do, maybe you would like to do it one day. I don't know. It depends. So right now, I'm going to do my lashes after I finish showing you guys. I'm going to do my lashes. Then I'm going to organize over here. So over here is where my makeup stuff are. So my makeup stuff are there, like ear stuff are there, girl stuff. It's just mostly girl stuff. My pills that I take are there as well. So most of the things that are there are my stuff. Okay guys, so yeah, we have to organize it. To organize. So but we can't organize it till after I do my eyelash. Then after I do my eyelash, I'm gonna make my hair, right? And then go over cross. So in that order. I have to do it that way. Because today's Friday, guys. So today is the day after the storm, snowstorm. So you will see in the previous video, in the video before this one, you'll see the snowstorm that took place. So anyways, let's get into Foot Locker, right? Let's get into it. So as you can see, New Balance. Yeah. Don't know if this is mine or it's mine. So this is mine. It fits so good. I love this collection. So this one is mine. Can see the New Balance right there, and the end is over on this side. So yeah, I just love this. There's another one there. Oh my god. If they had it in black, I would take it. But yeah. Now, there's the other one. So as you can see, it's 2 boxes. This is woman. This is UK 6.5. I think I was wearing 5 at one point. This is saying woman 7. But US 8.5. In when I was younger, I was wearing like 4 or 5 UK size when I was younger. But now I'm wearing 6. Now I'm wearing UK 6.5. I think 6 can fit me too. Now this is This is my husband This is my husband own. I don't know, he likes this one. Yeah. It's New Balance as well. Oh yeah. Oh guys, yeah. That's it. That's another Christmas gift. That. So let's get into the eyelashes. Oh my word! Kind of like that song. It's a long time people are putting it. Oh my word! Yeah, big up she. Big up she. And we're gonna do our lashes. I'm gonna need this. So this is how I do my lash. You don't know why, but yeah. Guys, when me do my lash, I put glue on it. It's not show you. It's not gonna show you. I ain't try to turn it this way because I know how you stay. I knew you were gonna do that actually. So guys, I'm put glue in my eye. So I bought this recently. Yeah. Yeah. But you know, see Vaseline. Vaseline still outside. Even she. So I bought these recently. My niece and I, we did hers. I think I'm gonna work with the C today. I'm gonna try to let it look as close to mine as possible. I'm gonna work with the C. I'm still looking for the glue. I don't know where I put it. I still have this, the original one. There's some in it. There's 13, 14, 15, 16. Maybe I'm gonna take something from here, because maybe instead of the 16 at the end, I'm gonna go with the 13. Yeah, maybe I take something from this. I like this one, the one that number from 9 to 16. I like this one. I think I need to get back one like this, because this one only come with like 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. It miss out the odd numbers, right? So we're gonna use something from this today too. Now I do have my tools. Yeah. Let's see if I can find the glue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take oh, I think I did this. This is one. This is two. How are the mirrors? You need this. Take it out. Maybe I don't know. Maybe this? No, maybe this. What is it? It's so maybe it's a Lego kits here, lady. Here's stuff. Like what you guys. This is like my ring. This is like my ring. This is a case. Yeah, like you. See my case. This is a case. And this is mine. Like this. Then I just took it out of the box that it came into, and there was my ring in this. Yeah. So I still have this to show. That's where my ring. So we give each other the ring after that. I think this is the receipt, and so yeah, this is when I made my first payment until I completed my payment. So it's all here. What I paid. Yeah, it's all here. Okay, no thank you. And next year, next year, 3 years into marriage. Yeah, next year, we're in the next year, 4 years into marriage. Next year, 4 years. Next year, 4 years. Next year, 4 years since we're married. So these are some stuff that I got. Right, here, I'm gonna repack this street area. I'm gonna do it back it from now because some of the things are okay. But like okay, pop, and then the other just want to do it. So you're gonna here stuff. I'm gonna go here, I'm going here too. Here is my bad. This is everybody else's. This is makeup thing. Yeah. So let me see. Pack. So this should be like this because we want to eat. So ovulation tests and I will touch this. Maybe I put number 5. Here's some. These are the trending ones in here. No, because I some leaves on. And some salt and these two here. Here. This is about my first time on my not my first set, but in Canada it was my first set makeup. I got this bag. This makeup bag. Put them in here. It probably fits, but no expand these. I got more. I don't know speed up this. This is something up to so bad. This is a ring size. So I bought this book. You actually use this book to do what I want. Because it looks like coming down here. Okay. In it are some. Oh, so these are all medical term we use. These are all things we needed. These are all things we needed. Things we've done when we were going to training. So this is the first day orientation. So this is my book I was using for orientation. I was going for my training. Take out business, basically. But I need this book. I need to do something. This student on the farm. I documented my day off. I documented time for work, all that. I was doing that. So yeah, I was documenting. So I'm going to need a book to do something else. Anyway, I'll copy. And so, put this up here. Then I can just so I'm most thing. But it is the thing that I want. That's okay. So you can see I still have this congratulations card. Still have stuff for my graduation. No, this for the Bluetooth. One thing on here is it. But I wash it in my pants. So these are some stuff I'm going to use. Food. You know, the head and stuff. And the other thing I'm I know, I'm so enjoying. And I don't know it. This is what I think. A book and stuff with the child cover. That is book. And we like this one for a child. Oh, it's a big book. So we still have these. These are stickers. I think actually, I'm going to put it okay. The second, switch. Yeah, what is it? You're going to go yeah? I'm not going to do it. No, I'm going to do it. So, yeah, you're going to do it. So, you're going to do it. Don't continue. I like it. No, this way. Anybody take that one? But these guys are going to push it. But no, I can't help it. I'm going to work on now. So, I'll just give me a lash. Anyways, let me see. I'll just give me a lash. This is garbage. So, give me a lash. Give me a lash. So, I got this. When I went to Niagara Falls, I paid for this. It cost me 39 something. Maybe it's more now. So it says Niagara Sky Wheel, Zombie Attack, Movie Land Wax Museum. That's where you see the movie holiday after them. Ghost Blaster Dark Ride, Dinosaur Adventure Golf, or Wizard Golf. So they have a golf thing, but it's based with dinosaur. Yeah, the Wizard Golf. I don't know that. And then you have the Cosmic Coaster. I don't even know what was that. Well, guys, I went on all of them, and it was rather fun. So let's get into the DIY lashes, because I'm gonna worry accountable. I'm coming to do it, okay? Guys, my friends, please. Take this. Anyway, let's get into the lashes. I did find the glue. Or maybe it's this island or something. I did find the glue. King that now. I realized I didn't find the glue. Maybe it's okay. But yeah, it is. So this is before. Looking good. I don't want any lashes. This is my lashes. These are all mine. I have good lashes too, but today Friday. Time I'm gonna look body breakfast first, then come back on the ear. Well, not doing here, but just catch it up neat and nice. So, let's go. This one down. I don't know what I so I saw someone put the longest one in the middle, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put 13 in the middle. Right there. So I'm gonna put, so you can see the button is on. I'm gonna put the longest one in the middle. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna go 2/8 first. Then just strip off man. How crazy am I? You just roll them off on it. Yeah, enjoy. 2/8, don't mess up on 2/8. Something. When I'm take that. Fine, so. So guys, I'm doing 2 sides one time. I was gonna go breakfast guys. So this is 210. This side the oil is more cooperative. No, we go 212, 113. Halfway there. I'm gonna go with the 13 of this. Make sure the 13 are the same side. See? 213. This side here 213. I think 13 is my length. Yeah, guys, I think 13 is my length. So, it's coming. We're up now. We're going down. So, I think I'm going to go with 12. 12. 10. So 12. 10 and then 8. If you will. 110. So, this is a 10. 10 over this time. So the side here full. 10 and last thing on the side here. So, side is full. This now, I think I'm just going to put another 10. Close it at 10. No, why me want to do that one. Maybe one of my hands will be the one at the phone. So, so that's it, guys. So we're gonna lock it up. No, we have to lock it. So we lock it up. Lock it up, lock it up. Now that we lock it up, we're gonna seal it up. It's always at home. Let's seal it. So, I'm gonna seal at the bottom. I'm gonna seal at the top too. So, That's it. Alright, so I'll give you guys a close up look. So right now, guys, I'm gonna rip and comb my hair. Cut my hair. I'm gonna get it to the back. Yeah. So maybe I don't know. Maybe put a picture or something. I don't know. So I'll see you all. This is the end of the video. I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Okay. Bye. So this is the finishing product. Me catching my hair up. Style more. I'm gonna get to do it. But yeah, this is it. This is it. This is on my hair. So, and these are the lashes. So yeah. So it's giving. So it's giving. Hey guys, good night. It's right now, it's, I don't know if it's raining or snowing or what it is doing. Just take a look at this. This is what I'm going home. Like, honestly, I don't want to slide because it's very slippery. The trains are barely going, but yeah, it's slippery. But your girl gotta go home.
To the lodge?
Snow is everywhere, and snow is still falling. So, yeah, snow is still falling, and I'm heading home. So, it's crazy. So, yeah, guys, I'm heading home in snow. Snowing real bad, but yeah, let's go. I'm sliding, I'm slipping, everything, trust me. It's like my shoes is all listen guys, I'll see you all. It's snowing again. I'll see you all because the finger I got freeze if me stay up on the phone. So I'll see you. It's still snowing. Just look at this. I wanna walk in there, but so far that one is, but yeah, and it's still snowing.
Walking around in the morning.
So, but it's good. Let's go home.